Welcome to the Agentic Ascent, a chronicle of the AI revolution, 2022 to 2025. 3 years ago, everything changed. When OpenAI released ChatGPT, it ignited what many now call a Cambrian explosion in technology, the most significant shift since the rise of the Internet. What began as a simple chat interface evolved into the foundation of global, agentic superintelligence. This is the story of how we got here. To understand the rise of modern AI, we look at 3 eras of escalating capability. First, the chat era, 2022 to 2023. The moment AI learned to talk. Then, the multimodal and reasoning era, 2023 to 2024, when AI began to see, hear, analyze, and understand. And finally, the agentic era, 2024 to the present, where AI evolved from merely talking to actually doing. This is where AI became an operator, not just a tool. November 30th, 2022. The shot heard round the world. ChatGPT launches and reaches 100 million users in just 2 months. It proved that powerful AI could be simple, accessible, and useful. And with that, the modern AI race began. OpenAI continued defining the frontier. GPT 3.5 brought conversational AI to the public. Then, in March 2023, GPT-4 arrived. A leap in reasoning, logic, and coding so dramatic, it remained unmatched for more than a year. Entire industries began reshaping themselves almost overnight. Every revolution has its leaders. Sam Altman of OpenAI, pursuing AGI through rapid, iterative deployment. Dario Amodei of Anthropic, championing constitutional AI and safety-driven scaling. Different philosophies. One transformative technology. By 2023 and 2024, AI gained senses and memory. Models began analyzing images, audio, video, and massive documents. They could process millions of words at once, draw connections, and synthesize meaning. This was the moment AI evolved from chatbot to cognitive engine. The battle for context and multimodality escalated. Anthropic released Claude 2 with a 100,000 token window. Google answered with Gemini 1.5 Pro, analyzing up to 1 million tokens. And OpenAI introduced GPT-4o, bringing seamless, near-instant multimodality. These breakthroughs laid the foundation for autonomous agents. Meanwhile, open source mounted a counter-revolution. Meta launched Llama 1, which leaked online and sparked an explosion of community-built models. Llama 2 became the first major commercially usable open model, and by April 2024, Llama 3 reached GPT-4 class performance. Suddenly, super-capable AI wasn't limited to a few companies. It was everywhere. Then came the true turning point. AI shifted from talking to doing. Autonomous digital agents emerged, able to complete multi-step tasks, navigate apps, and operate software on their own. This marked the dawn of AI as a coworker, an operator that works alongside humans. By early 2025, the first digital employees arrived. OpenAI's operator could complete complex digital tasks end-to-end. Anthropic's Claude 4 handled enterprise systems and databases. Google's Gemini 2.5 integrated deeply into Workspace, quietly managing email and documents at scale. AI wasn't assisting anymore. It was working. The next frontier became sovereignty, bringing superintelligence on-premise. OpenAI launched GPT-5 with advanced reasoning and long-term planning for enterprises. Meta released Llama 4, a massive model companies could run privately. And xAI introduced Grok 3, trained on the gigantic Colossus cluster to synthesize real-time world data. A new race began, not for size, but for control. New challengers reshaped the ecosystem. Perplexity reinvented search with thesis mode, delivering answers instead of links. Mistral pushed ultra-efficient mixture of experts architectures that rivaled models many times their size. Two upstarts, redefining search and computation. Governments responded in dramatically different ways. The European Union introduced the world's first comprehensive AI legislation, the EU AI Act. Meanwhile, the United States pursued the Genesis mission, prioritizing rapid acceleration. A global divide emerged: regulation versus acceleration. And now, November 2025, the end of the beginning. The chat era is behind us. The agentic era is here. AI is no longer a tool you pick up. It's a coworker operating beside you. And with the cost of intelligence falling from $20 per million tokens to under 50 cents, the world is transforming faster than anyone expected. The revolution has only just begun. What role will you play?